to the skin, now I can't stop. Getting naked